How to delete Badoo account. So if you want to delete your Badoo account, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then on the search bar search for Badoo, and here on the first search you will have badoo.com. Click on that, and before proceeding make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here make sure to log into your Badoo account, and after logging in, on the upper left corner you will have this your profile, and after entering your profile, on the upper right corner you will have settings icon. Click on settings, and here under settings scroll all the way down and you will find delete account option. Click on delete account. So now you have to choose delete your account so that you will remove your account permanently. So after clicking this, click on continue, and then it is asking why are you leaving. So choose any reason that you would like, and then click on continue, and now choose a option, and after choosing the reason click on continue, and now click on delete my account. And for security reasons you have to enter your password, and after entering your password you have to type this code or this symbol here, and after entering all of this you can click on delete my account. And that's it guys, that's how you delete your Badoo account permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.